What's up guys? Ngayong araw muli tayo magre-react sa paboritong banda ng Bayan Franz Rhythm guys. Yung kanilang pinakabagong cover song na Mr. Blue Sky. Ayan, tignan natin kung paano yung atake nila dito sa kanta na to guys. Sama-sama tayo manood, makinig at mag-react.
Morning, today's focus calls Blue Sky.
Cute ang boses ni Lods, no? Binatang binata na. Ganda rin ang boses ni Dudes.
Don't you know, it's a beautiful new day. Hey, running down the avenue.
Hindi na siya, boses bata. Nagbibinata na talaga si Dudes.
See how the sun shines bright in the city, on the streets where once was paved. It's the blue sky is living here today. Hey.
Pansin ko gamit na ni Master Chen yung kanyang bagong gitara dito. Yung Les Paul na color blue. Ganda.
The blue sky, please tell us why you had to hide away for so long. Where did we go wrong? The blue sky, please tell us why you had to hide away for.
Siyempre hindi mawawala yung kanilang napakalupit na harmony. Tatak Franz Rhythm.
So long, where did we go wrong?
Ganda ng tunog ng gitara ni Master Chen. Napaka-quality ng tunog. Gibson Les Paul.
Hey, you with a pretty face, welcome to the human race. Celebration, Mr. Blue skies are waiting, and today is the day we
Meron na ring dito, edit si Char sa keyboard.
waiting for. Oh,
Mukhang na rin sila, no? Nagmi-mix na rin.
Mr. Blue sky, please tell us why you had to hide away for so long. Where did we go wrong? Hey there, Mr. Blue, we're so pleased to be with you. Look around, see what.
Nangibabaw yung boses ni Dudes, ano? Talagang bagay sa kanya to, tong mga ganitong klaseng kanta. Ayan, sana madalas mag-cover din si Dudes ng mga solo niya, no?
You do. Everybody comes to you. Hey there, Mr. Blue, we're so pleased to be with you. Look around, see what you do. Everybody.
Itong gusto ko sa banda Franz Rhythm kahit anong genre ipatugtog mo sa kanila, talagang kaya nila Wow. Ano yun? Para may sound effect yung mic ni Char ba yun? O sa piano. Hindi ko lang sigurado. Pero may narinig akong kakaibang tunog Ganda. Parang no? Parang tunog robot yung effects na yon. Mukhang talaga nagle-level up ang Franz Rhythm sa kanilang setup.
Mr. Blue, you did it right, but sometimes Mr. Night creeping over. Now his hand is on your shoulder. Never mind, I'll remember you this.
Advance na talaga yung kanilang mga kagamitan pagdating dito sa tugtugan nila.
I remember you this way, Mr. Blue sky, please tell us why you had to hide away for so long. Where did we go wrong? Hey there, Mr.
May nakakalam ba guys kung ano tawag dun sa ginamit na effects ni Char? Parang dun ang galing sa kanya mic eh, no? Parang yung mga vocal processor, parang ganon. Yung parang pampaiba ng boses.
I'm so pleased to be with you. Look around, see what you do. Everybody's coming to.
Gusto ko yung bagong tunog ng gitara ni Master Chen. Napakaswabe. Iba rin talaga yung quality ng Gibson kumpara sa Fender. May kanya-kanya silang tunog Tsaka parang feeling ko mas naging ngayon, mas clear palalo yung kanilang vocals, no? Yung tunog ng kanilang mic. Mas nag-upgrade. Grabe. Pa-level up talagang France Rhythm. May pahabol silang tugtugan.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Love, love, love.
Itong gusto ko sa paboritong banda ng bayan, lagi silang nagle-level up. Level up. Level up sa kanilang mga ginagawang cover song. Talagang meron kang maririnig at mapapanood na bago sa kanilang ginagawa. Ayan guys, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa kanilang channel, andyan po sa ating description yung kanilang channel guys. Supportahan natin at panoorin nyo kanilang mga video, kanta na napakagagaling nila doon guys. Isa-isayin nyo lang at check na magugustuhan yan. At sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa ating channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod pa natin i-react. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.